To transfer money from Zelle to Google Pay, you need to have both services set up and linked to your bank account. First, make sure you have the Zelle and Google Pay apps downloaded on your device and that you are enrolled in Zelle through your bank or credit union. Open the Zelle app and navigate to the Send Money section. Then select the bank account you want to use to send the funds. Choose the amount you want to transfer and then select your bank account as the recipient. Since you are essentially moving the funds from Zelle to your bank account. Once the funds are in your bank account, open the Google Pay app and navigate to the Add Money section. Select your bank account as the funding source and choose the amount you want to transfer to Google Pay. The funds should now be available in your Google Pay account and you can use them to make payments or send money to others. It is essential to note that transfer times may vary depending on your bank and the services you are using. Additionally, ensure that your bank account is compatible with both Zelle and Google Pay to avoid any issues during the transfer process. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from Zelle to Google Pay and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility offered by both services. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of both Zelle and Google Pay to understand any potential fees or limitations associated with transferring funds.